Hi everybody. Today I want to go over a new type of automation. I want to go through on iOS automation, commonly known as a shortcut. And it's a real simple shortcut really, and I created it only because I needed my device to function correctly in the bathroom, which didn't get the Wi-Fi signal properly. So I created a shortcut to automatically turn off Wi-Fi and let it only work with cellular signal and launch Twitter. And when launching this shortcut, you'll have an option to turn it on, which will turn off Wi-Fi and launch Twitter, and then turning it off will simply turn Wi-Fi back on. Alright, so now we're going to go through step by step this shortcut, and we're going to create it right here today. Alright, so we're going to turn on our phone, and we're going to make sure we're on my shortcuts. Then we're going to create a new shortcut. We're going to add actions. We're going to search for choose from menu. Here it is. And we're going to label them as on, and 2 is going to be off. And there we are. Okay, now, and we can also set what the prompt says. And we're going to say something like Twitter in bathroom. Okay. Now we're gonna choose the action. We're gonna add an action now. We're gonna set Wi-Fi. And we're gonna change it to off. And that's gonna be in the on when this is launched. So that's gonna go right here. Then we're gonna choose Twitter. Where it is. And we're gonna see what's happening in Twitter. And then we have to move it. This is the only annoying part about creating a shortcut versus a keyboard maestro macro is that you can't copy actions and paste them in, but hopefully they will fix that in the next update or next version of iOS. Now we're gonna choose our last action, which is set Wi-Fi off, or back on rather, sorry. We're going to set Wi-Fi again. And that's going to go right here in the off position. Then we're going to click next. We're going to set Twitter bathroom, or just Twitter Wi-Fi. There we go. Here it is, and it's in green. Let's see if we can customize it a little bit more. I'm gonna go there, and we're gonna click on the hamburger menu. Let's see if we can set color. Gonna set it to blue, and we're gonna choose. Let's see, symbols. Let's not spend too much time on this. We're gonna pick this play button, and we're gonna be done. But we're gonna set to home screen. Okay. And we're gonna be done again. And here it is. We're gonna run it. And then I'm gonna say on. So on turns on. Oh. My Wi-Fi is not on right now, and the cellular signal does not work. Although I don't know why the symbol is not gone, but it isn't working right now. And here's me trying it several times, which is why you'll see several of the apps or shortcuts that I've created trying to make this video. Alright guys, hopefully you liked this video. Subscribe, like, and comment below on the things you want to see next video. Alright guys, thank you. See you next video.